Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Kind of long overdue. Springtime, weather is finally warming up in Minnesota here. As you can see, it's kind of a beautiful day. It's a little windy, so we'll see how the DJI Mic Mini does. Got the little dead cat wind muff on it, so we'll see how that goes. Hopefully it's good audio for you. But the point of today's video is we got some carbon fiber pieces for the 2025 Ducati Hypermotard 950 SP. I've been looking for accessories for this thing, so kind of get it all tricked out, dress it up a little more, just make it look a little nicer. And I was looking at a few different carbon fiber places, but one in particular had a piece that not a lot of other places did, and I wanted to take a chance on them. I've read good reviews on them for the most part. I've seen a couple of mixed reviews. Depending on what threads you go on Reddit or different places, there are some that kind of give a mixed review, but usually all the reviews are positive for this place. So I was like, well, might as well try it out. It's MaxiCarbon over in, I believe they're in Milano, Italy. That's where it's shipped from. But so I'm way up in northern Minnesota, and the shipping on that from Italy to here was, it took 2 days. So I ordered it on the 28th, like early morning on the 28th of April. And it actually arrived April 30th. So I couldn't believe it. It went up to Germany and then over to Louisville, Kentucky. And then from there, it went up to South Dakota, and then went up to Fargo, and then over to Detroit Lakes, and then over to where I'm at. So that's faster shipping than Amazon or anywhere else. So 5 stars for MaxiCarbon for shipping speed. Like, that's insane. Well, that's UPS and them, but that's who they ship through. So that's crazy. But you guys don't want to hear about that. Let's take a look. Let's see what pieces we got. I'll tell you. We got a tank cover. We got your ignition housing, kind of where your key goes in. And then we also got the little front piece here for the spoiler, basically windscreen. All right, so let's get this box unboxed and opened for you, so you can see what the carbon fiber looks like here. This guy is gonna wait for the next video. You guys will, this one here is gonna wait for the next video, so you guys will have to just wait and see what this one is later. I mean, it's packaged up nice, like darn nice. Oh, here's my, look at this bugger. That looks nice. That's the cap to go over your ignition for your key. Some nice high quality looking carbon fiber. And again, this is from MaxiCarbon over in Italy. So we'll get you some close up on the Ducati carbon and then show you what that looks like compared to this. So yeah, that looks darn nice. Put this in the foam so we don't scratch it or anything. And the inside, if you're wondering, here's the inside of it. Looks really nice. Well done. Then we should have, we'll start with the smallest pieces first. This should be the front kind of spoiler, wind spoiler, or whatever you want to call it. Doesn't really block much wind at all, of course, not on a Hypermotard. But you can get bigger ones, but I think they just look kind of odd on the bike. Look at that. That is a nice looking piece, guys. And I'm looking. I don't see any blemishes, don't see any pinholes, absolutely nothing. Looks super nice. And if you guys are wondering what camera I'm using, this is the Panasonic S1R2. It's a Panasonic Lumix S1R2, shooting in 6K. So should be pretty good upgrade for my usual equipment. But yeah, that piece looks sharp, man. Looks really nice. It's got some weight to it too, so it's not like it's super light and like they skimped out on the carbon. And you can actually see here how thick it is along the edges here. So definitely nice. Nice high quality stuff. Okay, that's 2. Now what's the final one? The biggest piece we got here. Ooh, careful. All right, we can slide that right out. And that is our tank cover. Move that so. Look at that guy. There's nothing better than adding carbon fiber to a bike, guys. It's so nice to trick out your bike with carbon fiber, depending on the color scheme, of course, you're going for and the rest of it. But it's so nice putting on aftermarket accessory style parts. But yeah, this looks super nice. Again, no blemishes, no pinholes, no nothing. So I give it 10 out of 10. You got your pegs for where it clips in up front. Definitely high quality, guys. I give them 10 out of 10. And like I say, I'm looking it over and I do not see any blemishes on here at all. So well done, MaxiCarbon. Now let's see how it looks on the bike. Pretty darn close to what the Ducati carbon fiber is. Hopefully that's coming out on camera good enough for you guys. So here's the stock windscreen on here. Just kind of this regular blah plastic piece. And then we're gonna swap it out so it looks like that. So just something to make it look a little bit nicer. So that should look pretty cool. And then let's see the tank cover. Set that down there. There's my tank cover, how it looks now. And then we're gonna have this guy on here. All nice carbon fiber. So I will take a couple before and after pictures of each of these and then post them up when I'm done with the video. But I probably won't show you how to install them. It's not that hard. Just got to undo a bolt here and a couple right under here. And then just slap this guy on. So fairly straightforward. If you need to see that, there are other videos out there. But we'll just take a look at what it looks like when we're done. And then for your key guard, just a couple of Allen screws right in here. You take off. This should lift out of there, and then just put the new one on. So nothing too difficult about this install or removal process, put it that way. So I will get these put on, and then we'll take a look at what it looks like. Can't wait. All right, we got the gas tank on there. The carbon fiber gas tank looking nice. We'll go to this side. All right, guys, hopefully you can see, but I got the key cover installed there, and that bugger looks really nice. Hopefully you guys can see that. Matches the tank really nice, the carbon fiber on there. So that was easy. It's just 2 bolts, so nothing difficult about that one. Now we're gonna go on to the front spoiler part. So yeah, that's kind of nice that it matches everything in there. There's two bolts on the back side, and this pops into these little rubber grommets here. There's a round grommet here, a rubber grommet here, a round peg here. I mean, 2 round pegs and a rubber grommet. But before you can pull this straight forward to loosen them up, there's on the back side, so right in here, there's a couple of Allen wrench bolts right in there. So you just undo those 2, slide this forward, and then to get off this windscreen part, you have these 2 screws on the bottom here, bolts. So you just undo this one and the other one right there. Undo both them, transfer the mounting hardware, that little tab, transfer that little tab right there over to the new carbon fiber one, same with the one on this side, and then just slide your carbon fiber piece in there. So that is what I'm going to do right now, and then we'll show you what it looks like. Alright guys, that's going to kind of button it up for today. I got to get going to get ready and go to basketball, so I'm not going to have time to finish up with my last carbon fiber piece, so that'll have to wait for another video. But trust me, you're not going to want to miss that one. It's going to be a good one. So if you're into Ducati bikes anyway, Hypermotards. But yeah, so we got the tank cover, got the little front spoiler here, looking good. I think that bugger turned out pretty darn nice. It's not a lot, like it's not a huge difference, you know, but it's kind of just little cosmetic differences here and there. So just kind of making the bike slowly look a little better, a little nicer. So we got the quick release gas cap, SW Motec magnetic basically ring for the tank bag and stuff. Now we got some carbon fiber pieces on there, so it's coming around. Bike is just about all tricked out, looks nice. We got radiator guards, oil cooler guards, stuff like that on there. Now we got this little carbon fiber piece. So all right, stay tuned for the next video where we put on our last carbon fiber piece, and hopefully it warms up here a little bit so I can start going for a ride and stuff. Today was our only warm 60-degree day, and now it's going to cool back down to the 40s again. So I got to wait till next weekend, get the last carbon fiber piece put on, and then we'll start getting some content for you guys. Hopefully go out riding the wheelers and stuff. So all right, later.